There's a photo, dated 1922, but the man in it still walks these halls today. Same suit, same smile, same eyes that never blink. At our school, there's a legend about the principal. He's been here for decades, but somehow he never ages. One day, a student found an old class photo buried behind a loose brick in the library wall. The photo was labeled Class of 1922. Everyone looked old-fashioned, except one man. The principal. Same exact face, same posture, same chilling smile. At first, no one believed it. But then, someone noticed something else. In every morning assembly, he never blinked. Not once. They watched him during lunch, walking slowly past the windows, eyes wide open, always. That same student was called into the principal's office. They went in and never came out. No one saw them leave. No one heard a thing. Just silence and a chair, still slightly warm. Later, a few dared to peek into the office. They saw something. The principal was standing there, alone. But his shadow was missing. He's still here, watching, smiling. But he's not one of us. And no matter how many years pass, he never leaves. And never, ever blinks. Some legends live forever. Some never die. Subscribe before he finds out you know.